Hello, my name is Craig Bile and I'm the Engineering Manager at Gallagher Fluid Seals. Today we are going to talk about the Guardian line of desiccant breathers made by Sentry. Gallagher stocks all the products that we are going to discuss today, and they are available for purchase on our website at www.gallagherseals.com. The Guardian line of desiccant breathers is the flagship offering in the market. The Guardian is a modular air breather filtration system with the ability to replace existing components with a superior product to extend the life of your equipment. Today we are going to review how the Guardian air breather works and review the range of options available to users. Before we start talking about the Guardian line and how these filters work, let's discuss a little about where we typically see them used. Equipment like gearboxes and pumps typically come from OEMs with a commodity-grade factory-installed air breather. These breathers are there to prevent contamination such as dust and humid air from entering the equipment. During operation, the machinery breathes in humid air. This contamination can have a very negative impact on lubricating oil and hydraulic fluid being used by the equipment and can lead to premature equipment failure. Guardian air breathers utilize a silica gel filtration system to remove humidity from the air, in addition to a combination of check and isolation valves to ensure that no environmental contamination enters the machinery. All Guardian air breathers start with check valves at the top of the unit to allow air to enter the system. These check valves seal the silica gel from the atmosphere, ensuring that air only enters when it is being used by the machinery. This can allow the filter assembly to last up to 4 times as long as one without check valves. The Guardian comes with both 1-inch and 2-inch female pipe threads. An optional isolation valve isolates the silica gel from the exhaust air and potential volatile fumes and splashback. This feature significantly extends the life of the air breather assembly. An additional high-capacity air filter can be used with the silica gel cartridge or as a standalone air filter. This HEPA filter is 99.7% efficient and is ideal for dirty, dusty environments. The air filter connects to the Guardian with a modular stackable ring. Additionally, the modular stack ring can be used to stack multiple silica gel cartridges. The last component that we will review is the washdown cap. This cap covers the valves at the top of the unit and protects against contamination entering the breather. This can be used in environments where there is equipment washdown or where it is particularly dusty. We typically see our customers utilize this accessory. As we discussed, the Guardian air breather assembly is modular. Silica gel cartridges can be replaced at the end of their life and come in 5, 8, and 12-inch sizes. Additionally, the HEPA filters can be purchased as standalone components for addition to a system or for replacement. As the silica gel cartridge works, it gradually turns from orange to blue to indicate its range of life. A color band below the gel indicates when it is time to contact Gallagher for a new gel cartridge. We hope you have enjoyed this video on the Guardian series of desiccant air breathers made by Sentry. For any additional questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to a member of the Gallagher Fluid Seals engineering or sales team. All products shown in this video are in stock at a Gallagher facility and available for purchase on the Gallagher website.